Do your gums bleed while brushing? And do you think it's normal? It happens to everyone. What if I tell you that bleeding gums are the first warning sign of the disease that can slowly loosen your teeth and even cause tooth loss? Hi, I'm Dr. Shreya, founder and Chief Dental Surgeon, Shrije Clinics. Today let's talk about two very common but ignored problems, gingivitis and periodontitis, and clear all the doubts patients usually have. Let's start with gingivitis. Gingivitis is the early stage of gum disease. It happens when plaque, a sticky layer of bacteria, build up around your teeth and gums due to improper brushing and flossing. Common symptoms of gingivitis: bleeding while brushing and flossing, red or swollen gums, bad breath, and mild gum tenderness. The important thing to understand is at this stage the problem is reversible. Yes, with proper cleaning and good oral hygiene, your gums can become completely healthy again. But what if gingivitis is ignored? It slowly progresses into periodontitis. In periodontitis, the infection spreads deeper. The gum slowly starts receding. Bone supporting the teeth begins to get damaged and teeth becomes loose. Symptoms of periodontitis: persistent bad breath, gum recession, pus discharge from the gums, loose or shifting teeth, pain while chewing. And here is the scary part. Bone loss caused by periodontitis cannot be fully reversed. That's why early treatment is very important. Bleeding gums are normal, right? No, healthy gums do not bleed. Bleeding is the sign of inflammation and infection. Do scaling loosen teeth? This is one of the biggest myths. Scaling does not loosen teeth. In fact, gum disease causes bone loss, which makes teeth loose. Scaling removes the infection and helps save your teeth. If teeth feel slightly loose after cleaning, it's because the tartar that was holding them artificially is removed. But this is actually a healthy step towards recovery. My gums don't hurt, so it's not serious. Gum disease is often painless in the early stages. By the time pain starts, the damage may already be advanced. That's why regular dental checkups are important. Can mouthwash alone cure gum problems? No. Mouthwash can help reduce bacteria, but it cannot remove plaque or tartar. Professional cleaning is necessary. If I brush harder, bleeding will stop? Actually, aggressive brushing can damage your gums further. Use a soft brush and gentle technique. Treatment depends on the stage. For gingivitis, professional scaling and polishing, proper brushing and flossing habits, regular checkups. For periodontitis, deep cleaning, medication if required, and in advanced cases, surgical treatment may be needed. The goal is to stop the disease and preserve your natural teeth. Remember this: bleeding gums are not normal. Bad breath is not normal. Loose teeth are definitely not normal. Most gum problems start small, painless, and affordable to treat. But when ignored, they become serious and expensive. Your gums are the foundation of your teeth. If the foundation is weak, even healthy teeth cannot survive. So if you notice bleeding, swelling, or bad breath, don't ignore it. Visit your dentist, get a gum checkup, and protect your smile before it's too late. Because saving your teeth always starts with saving your gums.